New York City, a global icon, a melting pot of cultures, and a beacon of opportunity. The name pulses with energy. Ambition, dreams, millions of lives intertwining daily. It's a place where fortunes are made and lost, where every corner holds a story. A symphony of sounds and stories, often overwhelming on the ground. The cacophony of car horns, the chatter of countless voices, the sheer density of humanity. It can be a sensory overload. But what if we could see it differently? Rise above the chaos and witness its grandeur from a new perspective. Imagine escaping the crowded sidewalks and soaring into the sky. Imagine a quiet ascent. The city's roar softens, transforming into a gentle hum. The early morning light paints the skyscrapers in hues of gold and pink. We lift off, silent observers. The streets, once rivers of yellow cabs, become intricate patterns. The iconic yellow taxis transform into tiny moving specks. The sheer scale becomes clear. New York, not as a pedestrian, but as a bird soaring high. The city sprawls out before us, a testament to human ambition and architectural prowess. This journey takes us above the familiar, gliding over all 5 boroughs. Each one a world unto itself, with its own distinct character and charm. Each borough, unique and vital, reveals its connections and differences from above. Bridges and tunnels weave a complex web connecting these diverse communities. It's a chance to see the city's bones, the way it breathes and lives, unveiled from a vantage point of wonder. The intricate street grid, the green spaces, the vital infrastructure, all laid bare for our observation. The experience is calm, a serene observation of immense activity. From this height, the city's frenetic energy transforms into a mesmerizing dance. There's a quiet awe in looking down upon such a colossal creation, human ingenuity spread out like a map. A testament to what can be achieved when millions of people come together to build a life. This isn't just about seeing buildings. It's about feeling the city's spirit and resilience. It's about understanding the pulse of a place that never sleeps, its constant motion, its energy, its soul, a vibrant tapestry woven from countless individual stories. Join me as we explore New York City from above, where its true essence shines. A city of dreams, seen from a dreamlike perspective. Our journey begins over Manhattan, the island heart of this global city. Below, the skyline pierces the clouds, giants of glass, steel, and stone. The Empire State and Chrysler buildings stand as beacons of aspiration. We drift over Midtown, where buildings cluster shoulder to shoulder. Down there, millions work, create, and live, each building a world unto itself. From this height, the city's relentless energy becomes a silent ballet. Times Square flashes below, a pulsating heart of entertainment, even from above. Billboards and lights form a bright ribbon in the urban grid. The avenues, Fifth Park, Broadway, stretch like vital arteries, channels for the city's lifeblood. Tiny yellow taxis move like busy ants, each carrying a New York story. The city's geometry is stark, organized yet incredibly complex. Now we glide toward a vast expanse of green, Central Park. A magnificent rectangle of nature carved into Manhattan's heart. Its true scale is only clear from above, a green lung for a bustling city. Lakes shimmer, meadows stretch, and winding paths invite tiny figures below. Rowboats glide, horse-drawn carriages circle, all part of a peaceful scene. The great lawns, strawberry fields, Belvedere Castle, urban sanctuaries within the park. The park's design is remarkable. Sunken roadways keep traffic hidden, preserving the illusion of wilderness. From above, these transverse roads are visible but don't detract from the beauty. Surrounding the park, buildings stand like sentinels, framing this green jewel. Their windows reflect sky and trees, a reminder of New York's contrasts. Intense urbanity and serene nature, side by side in harmony. Central Park is more than a park. It's the city's collective backyard, seen from the heavens. We leave Manhattan, crossing the East River via the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. Its Gothic arches and cable-stayed lines form intricate patterns, a symbol of connection and history. Brooklyn unfolds with its own character neighborhoods, each with a distinct vibe. From the air, Dumbo's cobblestone streets and converted lofts, Williamsburg's vibrant art scene, and Park Slope's brownstones create a patchwork quilt of communities. Prospect Park, Brooklyn's green heart, offers rolling hills and meadows. The borough's waterfront is transforming, piers and parks replacing industry. Brooklyn's energy is palpable, home to artists, entrepreneurs, and a spirit of reinvention. Yet it holds on to its history. Brownstones and old factories tell stories of another era. From above, the old and new live together, creating Brooklyn's unique charm. Our journey continues eastward, over Queens, the world's borough. From the sky, its sheer size and diversity are clear, a sprawling mosaic of communities. Countless languages, cultures, and architectures converge here. Flushing Meadows Corona Park stands out, with the Unisphere, City Field, and the USTA Tennis Center. The park is a hub of activity, a green lung for a diverse population. Queens is a borough of transit. LaGuardia and JFK airports connect New York to the world. From above, runways and terminals form intricate networks. Residential areas stretch in neat grids, tree-lined avenues, and small yards. It feels more suburban in parts, yet undeniably part of the city. Each neighborhood tells a story of immigration, community, and resilience. Queens from above is a tapestry woven from countless threads. We turn northward to the Bronx, a borough of powerful history and resilience. From the air, its landscape is greener than expected. Van Cortlandt and Pelham Bay parks offer vital breathing room. Yankee Stadium gleams, a cathedral of baseball and pride. The Grand Concourse, lined with Art Deco buildings, stretches wide, a reminder of the borough's grand past. The Bronx Zoo and New York Botanical Garden form a significant green heart, visible from above. These are places of learning, conservation, and community. The South Bronx shows signs of rebirth. New developments rise, community gardens flourish, vibrant murals adorn walls. The Bronx River winds through, a ribbon of blue undergoing restoration. From above, the Bronx is a story of hope. Building on strengths, looking to the future. Our aerial tour takes us south, across New York Harbor to Staten Island. More suburban and spread out with abundant green spaces, the Staten Island Greenbelt stands out. The Verrazzano Narrows Bridge connects Staten Island to Brooklyn, its scale immense from above. The Staten Island Ferry shuttles commuters and tourists, a lifeline to Manhattan. Neighborhoods have a small-town feel, Victorian homes, quiet streets, a world away from Manhattan's bustle. Yet the skyline of Lower Manhattan is often visible, a reminder of connection. Historic Richmond Town offers a glimpse into the region's colonial past. Staten Island's waterfront is extensive. Beaches and boardwalks like South Beach and Midland Beach provide recreation. From above, the coastline meets the Atlantic, a borough of surprising beauty and quiet strength, often overlooked but uniquely charming. Hovering over the harbor, a tapestry of history and hope unfolds. Icons emerge. The Statue of Liberty stands resolute, a timeless symbol of freedom and hope for generations past, present, and future. She stands tall, a beacon. Lady Liberty's torch, a golden flame against the sky, welcomes all who come to these shores, seeking opportunity and a new beginning. It's a promise of what America can be. Ellis Island lies nearby, a poignant sight, a gateway where millions of immigrants first encountered America, their dreams and aspirations etched into the very stones of this place. It echoes with their stories. The waters around New York are busy, ferries crisscross carrying commuters, cargo ships laden with goods from around the globe, and sailboats dance on the waves. It's a constant ballet of maritime activity. The city's lifeblood has always been its port. From above, the intricate maritime traffic forms fascinating patterns, a complex network that sustains the city's economy and connects it to the world. Tugboats, small but mighty, guide massive ships through the channels, while smaller boats nimbly navigate the currents, each playing a vital role in the harbor's operations. The city's relationship with water is fundamental. Rivers define its geography, shaping its boundaries and influencing its development. Water is integral to New York's identity. The Hudson, East, and Harlem rivers are not barriers but connections, lifelines spanned by iconic bridges that link the boroughs and facilitate the flow of people and commerce. Governor's Island, once a military outpost shrouded in history, has been reborn as a public park and cultural hub, a vibrant space for recreation and artistic expression. Its green spaces offer stunning, unobstructed views of Lower Manhattan's towering skyline and the bustling harbor, a tranquil oasis amidst the urban energy. From above, these islands and waterways reveal themselves as active, dynamic parts of New York, each with a unique story etched into its landscape, each contributing to the city's vibrant life, its rich tapestry of cultures, and its enduring spirit of innovation and resilience. Our journey above New York City gently concludes, drawing to a close. We've soared through the skies, witnessing the city from a unique and breathtaking vantage point, but the images, the memories, remain vivid in our minds. The sheer scale of the metropolis, the intricate details etched into every street and building, the endless, palpable energy. all seen from a place of serene calm, high above the bustling streets. From this elevated vantage point, the city reveals itself not just as a collection of buildings, but as a living, breathing organism, constantly in motion, constantly evolving. The 5 boroughs, each distinct in character and identity, yet inextricably connected, weave together to form a single, vibrant tapestry of urban life. Manhattan's towering ambition, its relentless drive, Brooklyn's vibrant creative pulse, its artistic soul, Queens' warm, global embrace, its multicultural heart, the Bronx's enduring spirit, its strong sense of community, and Staten Island's quiet strength, its peaceful residential areas and abundant green spaces, all contribute to the rich and complex soul of this incredible city. From above, the cacophony of noise fades into a distant hum, the relentless rush of daily life subsides, and a profound sense of wonder remains, a deep appreciation for the city's beauty and complexity. The city is always changing, always evolving, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. This aerial view offers a momentary pause, a precious opportunity to step back and appreciate its entirety, its interconnectedness. New York City, seen from the heavens, from this almost ethereal perspective, is both awe-inspiring and profoundly humbling. The drone gently descends, slowly returning us to the ground, back to the bustling streets and vibrant energy of the city. But the unique perspective, the bird's-eye view, stays with us long after the flight is over. A deeper, more profound understanding of this incredible place, its beating heart, its indomitable spirit, its enduring magic that captivates the world. Revealed not in a single landmark or iconic structure, but in its magnificent whole, a city truly unlike any other on Earth, a testament to the power of human dreams and aspirations.